Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time for the main event of the evening. Mehboob Rahman from Hyderabad and Suraj Oja from Punjab. This is going to be an absolute firecracker. धमाके होने वाले हैं यहाँ एमेच्योर कंटेंडर सीरीज के साइड पे खड़े होके, रिंग के साइड पे खड़े होके देखिए हैं, और ये अपने अपोनेंट्स को डिमोलिश करते हैं, ये अपने अपोनेंट्स को खत्म करते हैं. ये दोनों उस तरह के फाइटर्स हैं जिनकी जिंदगी का सिर्फ एक ही मकसद है, और वो है एमएमए. वो है एमएमए में कुछ करके दिखाना. मेक श्योर यू डोंट इवन ब्लिंक, क्योंकि ये फाइट इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है कि आपने अगर ब्लिंक भी किया यू माइट एंड अप मिसिंग सम एक्शन. सूरज इन ब्लैक एंड रेड शॉर्ट्स and Mehboob in yellow and black shorts. Suraj starts with a nice leg kick. Oh, अच्छी हेड किक, लेकिन शायद ज्यादा इंपैक्ट नहीं था. बहुत अच्छा स्क्रैम्बल. महबूब बैक लेने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. सूरज ने अच्छा काम किया अभी तक डिफेंड करने का, एंड महबूब टेक सूरज डाउन. वाओ, व्हाट एन एक्सप्लोसिव स्टार्ट ऑफ दिस मेन इवेंट. बहुत बढ़िया नीज मार रहे हैं महबूब.
Manan, it's exciting to see that Mehboob does not bring along a lot of experience, but he's here fighting like a pro tonight.
Oh man, he's throwing some hard knees. बहुत अच्छा टेक डाउन. अब देखना ये है महबूब अपने आप को यहाँ पे कैसे डिफेंड कर पाते हैं, क्योंकि जैसे कि आप बता रहे थे राहुल, सूरज जो है गुरकरन के जिम से हैं, एंड गुरकरन, you know, he's been training people, he's been making people sharks on the ground.
Well, yes, and look at the way Suraj is bleeding right now. So I think.
Oh my God!
Do we have a new here?
Oh man! I wonder which one of those shots caught him.
Well, it's crazy. It's crazy. You know, this is what was being feared in this bout. The explosiveness and the unpredictable element that Mehboob brings on board is going to be crazy. You know, that was the bout changer. So far, I'm going to give the bout to Mehboob. What do you have to say, Manan?
I agree with you. He's done more damage, and we can see that with all the blood coming out from Suraj. But भाई सूरज मेहनत कर रहे हैं. सूरज अभी डोमिनेंट पोजीशन में है ग्राउंड पे.
Well, Suraj is in side control now. All he has to do is maybe move on the top, but I think he's a super pro. He's going to go north south and go for a Kimura.
बहुत अच्छी ग्रैपलिंग सूरज की तरफ से.
Look at the way he's tying Mehboob's hands, especially the left hand. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies, this is Amateur Contender Series. This is the main event. We've got Indian Khabib Suraj Oja in the blue corner.
10 seconds
10
to
more
go.
seconds to go, and he's fighting against Mehboob Rahman. You know, this is why I always say technique wins you.
What a
over
round,
aggression.
bro.
2.0. We've got Suraj Oja, the Indian Khabib, in the blue corner, taking on Mehboob Rahman from Hyderabad in the red corner. The first round was explosive, was crazy, was a 50-50 thing. What do you think is Mehboob's strategy, Manan?
Mehboob, look at the muscle on Mehboob, bro.
Well, yes, he's
So he
chiseled,
wants
you know,
to-
he's aesthetic.
He wants to use that power.
Oh my goodness. That was
Hard. That
my
is
goodness.
dangerous.
These guys are throwing bombs at
But he
each
should
other.
now back off. He should now back off. Yeah, that's good. He shouldn't get too excited. Do you notice what I'm saying? Like these strikers, aggressive people, once they start, they don't know how to stop and back off.
You
they
know
need
what?
to add that to their game.
The beauty of Mehboob's game is he'll close distance and throw some powerful strikes. He's been attempting some uppercuts, and trust me, if one of them connects, Khabib is down. Khabib is down. Oh.
नीचे से महबूब पावर लगा रहे हैं, बट आई डोंट थिंक उनके पास कोई
No, that's
लॉक
not
है,
going
ये
to
वेस्टेज है पावर का.
That is not going to work because he's playing.
This
trying
is
to
a
play
waste of power.
anti-gravity.
महबूब should not be doing this.
Manan, if Rahman gets this bout, I'm going to pray. He's going to be the next good lord who's going to be walking on MFN. What do you have to say on this?
Well, I don't know. I mean, I still see that these guys have a lot of work to do. काफी skills हैं जो इन लोगों को अभी सीखने की जरूरत है.
Manan, MFN में amateur में अगर opportunity मिलती है तो I think
amateur में, yes.
महबूब is an option. महबूब is an option because सूरज ने already MFN में amateur खेला हुआ है. Now this is a dominant position for Suraj. Let's see if he can hold it or not because Rahman is very explosive on the ground. He's trying to block his vision so that Mahbub doesn't see what's happening. We've got 10 more seconds to this round. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is round 2. I can't believe that this bout is also going to round 3. Who do you think Manan gets this bout? Ladies and gentlemen, this is the last and the final round of Amateur Contender Series 2.0. We've got the Indian Khabib in the blue corner taking on the Indian Robbie Lawler in the red corner. Khabib throws in a right kick. Oh, that kick, vicious kick rattles Mahbub.
अच्छी लेग किक्स हैं सूरज की तरफ से.
Manan, here Mahbub looks a bit tired while Khabib is not.
और उसका रीजन ये भी हो सकता है जो ग्राउंड में जो
Whoa!
शॉट.
Wow!
Bad mistake. I think Suraj's head for no reason.
Exactly.
On the ground.
And he's spending a lot of energy there, a lot of muscle there.
महबूब बार-बार सूरज के सर पे कोई फायदा नहीं है ना.
बिल्कुल.
वेस्ट कर रहे हैं.
I think if Mahbub dedicates 1 year to jiu-jitsu at a good camp, this guy is going to be explosive.
He's gonna be a monster.
तुझे पीछे है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. फाउल है, पीछे मार रहा है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. रोल ब्रिज बना के एकदम से. हाँ, रोल करना लेफ्ट साइड में. हाथ पकड़ा हुआ, राइट दे दे. बेस बना, राइट लेग फोल्ड कर, बेस बना. अब अभी एकदम से रोल कर. रहमान ब्रिज बनाओ, टर्न करो. रहमान ब्रिज बना के रोल करना राइट साइड में. बेस बना हुआ है तेरा, बेस बना हुआ है. एकदम से हिप थ्रस्ट के साथ पावर लगाना कोर की. पकड़ के रख, रोल करना है. रहमान रोल करना है, याद रखना है. हाथ पकड़ ले दोनों. हाँ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. रोल करना, रोल करना, रोल. रोल रोल पकड़ के.
Manan, both guys have been in the same position for all 3 rounds. And I think it's time the referee should, ask them to bring some action because this is the main event. People are here to see action. What do you have to say, Manan?
सही बात है. रेफरी को बोलना चाहिए कुछ एक्शन दिखाओ.
कुछ मसाला लगाओ. मेन इवेंट है ये भाइयों.
ऊपर की तरफ, एल्बो ऊपर की तरफ, हाथ ऊपर की तरफ. पंच नहीं लगेगा इसका. पंच पीछे जा रहा, फाउल है, टेंशन मत ले. रोल 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 रोल.
I think we don't have much time left for this bout.
उसका पैर उठाओ, पैर रोल करो. रहमान ब्रिज
I think Manan, so far till here, I'm going to give this bout to Suraj because he's been controlling. He's been in the dominant position.
I agree with you.
All right,
Rahul.
ladies and gentlemen, 10 more seconds to the main event of Amateur Contender Series 2.0.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है
This is it, ladies and gentlemen.
All right.
ACS 2.0 is in the books now.
And what an excellent event it has been, Manan. We had approximately 20 bouts tonight, and all of them were like super crazy, absolutely matched.
वाकई राहुल, आज की जो fights थी, they have exceeded my expectations.
Well, mine too. Let's see who the winner for this bout is.
We've seen submissions happening under 15 seconds. We've seen so many knockouts. We've seen Superman punches. It's been a wild, wild day.
Well, that's Suraj Jha with Indian top team flag. That's the team that has built this Khabib. You know, Indian top team is the team responsible for building a lot of athletes, bringing in a lot of athletes here tonight, and Suraj is one of them. Well, yes, much respect to Mehboob. He fought like a warrior. Man, nobody can say that this guy is new in the amateur circuit.
Yeah, yeah. And a lot of credit goes to his strength, man. His sheer brute strength.
What if it's a draw? Manan, do you think this can be a...
It can't be a draw. We've already had one draw today. We can't have any more draws today.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we've got the winner tonight. Suraj Jha steals it from Mehboob. Suraj Jha is the winner tonight.
Excellent work by Suraj Jha.
Indeed, an excellent work. So, ladies and gentlemen, and ladies, this was Amateur Contender Series 2.0. This event was brought to you by Shastra Academy. This is promoted by Sensei Mayank Dogra and supervised by All India Mixed Martial Arts. My name is Rahul, and this is me signing off along with my co-commentator, Manan Datta.
See you all next time, people.